Go America. Hey guys, guess what time it is? So, I know that this week I told you guys that I was gonna talk about this little shit. But we have some really important things to talk about today. Cause like, hello, it's America's birthday this weekend. Go America. And like in Los Angeles, we're dealing with a severe drought, which means no fireworks. We're in America and we can't have fireworks on our fucking Independence Day. But don't worry guys, cause I've come up with some fireless fireworks idea. Now let's go see if they will satisfy our pyro needs, shall we? Ooh, rocket straws. Did you see how far that went? That was oddly very satisfying. Let's see if we can do 3 at one time. That was so much fun! I have one filled with just glitter, one filled with some chalk dust, and one filled with glitter and chalk dust. So let's throw these in the air and see if they're exciting! So let's do glitter first. America! Ah! Yay! That was actually pretty cool! 3! Bucket glitter. Definitely use chalk dust. I don't know if we found a firework substitute yet. Let's keep going. Now we're gonna play with some bubbles. Ooh. Bubbles, fun to play with. Not a good firework substitute. Blow bubbles. What the hell? These aren't glowing? This is crap. That worked. I'm a little chalky. I'm gonna say fireworks, no. Messy, yes. Mentos and cherry Coke. Because what's more damn American than some cherry Coke? Oh, damn it, that was only one! Damn it! I totally ruined it! I totally ruined it! What the hell? Okay guys, I think it's safe to say that nothing really replaces the satisfaction of lighting up a firecracker. But that being said, all of these things were a lot of fun to do. I'm gonna have links down in the description down below. Please try some of these out. Tell me which one was your favorite. If I'm missing a really awesome fireless firework idea, please leave a comment and tell me what I am missing out on because I want to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to tune in next week where I promise this time I'm actually gonna tell you all about my dear sweet Prudence puppy bear. Thank you guys for watching. And this is America. Signing off. Happy 4th of July, everybody!